Model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335 L2H2 130, cheap, Euro 6. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 147,788. MOT, the 29th of November 2024. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: the starter motor is intermittent but always starts with a bump start. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van.